Uh-huh.
There's two up in the weeds.
Daddy, is there zoom on this? Daddy, stop, you're driving away. Daddy, is there zoom on this?
No.
Too bad.
There's one up in the woods too. There's 6 of them. Oh, there's 2 up there. See their heads bopping around?
Mm-hmm.
The boys with beards. Do you see any beards?
Yeah, like lots of them. Daddy, you're gonna get Clarabelle. Go after them.
That one's got a beard.
Uh-huh. It's a male.
There they go.
Daddy, you're getting Clarabelle freaked out later.
Okay, Dora, that's enough video. Let me see. Turn it off.
Clarabelle.